Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Mr. Tech-ela channel. Today we are diving into something really exciting, the Apple Watch Series 10. You might think you know everything about it, but trust me, there are some hidden gems that not a lot of people are talking about. Let us get into it. Section 1. Design Innovations. First up, let's talk about the design. Sure, it looks sleek and familiar, but did you know the Series 10 features an all-new titanium frame? This makes it not only lighter, but also more durable. Plus, the new color options are stunning, especially that deep blue. Section 2. Health Monitoring Features. Now let's move on to health features. We all know about heart rate monitoring and ECG, but the Series 10 introduces a groundbreaking feature, blood glucose monitoring. This isn't just a rumor, it's set to revolutionize how diabetics manage their condition. Blood glucose monitoring. This feature uses advanced sensors that track glucose levels throughout the day. Imagine having that kind of data right on your wrist. Section 3. Battery life and charging. Next, let's talk battery life. You might think, another day, another charging cable. But the Series 10 is packed with an energy-efficient chipset that offers up to 36 hours of battery life on a single charge. And it supports fast charging, 60% in just 30 minutes. Section 4. Customization and personalization. One of the coolest aspects of the Series 10 is the level of customization. The watchOS update allows for more personalized watch faces and complications. You can even set up custom notifications based on your daily routine. It's all about making the watch truly yours. Section 5. Environmental Impact. And here's something that might surprise you. The Series 10 is made with 100% recycled aluminum. Apple is really stepping up its game in sustainability. So, not only do you get a fantastic smartwatch, but you're also making an environmentally friendly choice. So there you have it. Some amazing features of the Apple Watch Series 10 that most people don't know about. Which feature are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.